If you use just one MetaTrader for everything, sooner or later you'll end up making a bit of a mess. In this video, I'll show you how you can install multiple MetaTraders on the same PC or on the same VPS. Welcome everyone, I'm Andrea, your automated trader, and if you like what I do, don't forget to leave a like on the video and subscribe to the channel so you don't miss the next videos. By the end of this video, you'll know how to install 2, 3, 5 MetaTrader 5 or MetaTrader 4 platforms without causing any problems. And you'll be able to run a different expert, a different account, or anything else you want on each one so you can keep everything well separated and organized. So the basic rule is simple. We need to install each MetaTrader in a different folder, so in a different location. Let's see how to do it from the beginning. So what exactly do we need to do next? First, we go to the Google search engine, search for the MetaTrader 5 software, navigate to the download section, select the download for Windows option, and wait for our file to download completely. Once it is ready, we open the file, run the installer, and the official installation program opens up on our screen. We then go into the Settings menu and carefully decide exactly where we want to install it on our computer. In this specific case, the default Program Files MetaTrader 5 folder is perfectly fine, and then we simply add a 2 to the end of the folder name since we already have one version installed. This way, we ensure that we have a completely different file path for this new instance. We proceed forward and let the full installation process begin. Now that we're done, we click the Finish button and let's go see exactly where we've installed our new MetaTrader. Now let's go ahead and check the directory where we've successfully installed our MetaTrader 5 platform. First, we need to navigate into the Program Files directory and locate the MetaTrader 5.2 folder where all our essential files are stored. Once we are inside, we can see the various components. Let's carefully select our main executable file from this list and then right-click to create a convenient shortcut directly on the desktop for easier access. Here it is, appearing right there on the screen. Now that it is placed, we can go ahead and rename this specific icon to MetaTrader 2 for better organization. Section 5-2. Now, let's go ahead and rename this first file in exactly the same way as we did for the second one, which will help us keep everything perfectly organized within our folder. We'll call this specific file 1, while the other one is already labeled as 2. Let's carefully arrange them in the list so that at least we have the two files sitting right next to each other for easy access. Now, let's proceed to open the first one to see what is inside. Now that we have successfully opened the first package, let us proceed immediately to open the second one as well to see what is inside. The second one opens. As you can see, these are two different MetaTraders open on the same PC or on the same VPS. This way you can install as many MetaTraders as you need to run all your experiments. For example, you might use one for your live account, one for demo, or one to run certain experts on one account and the other to run experts on another account, maybe even with a different broker. Once you have installed them, obviously remember that you need to log in to the account where you want to work. How do you log in? You go to File, then log in to Trade Account. This window will open, and here you need to enter your login details, the account number, the password, and the server you need to log into. Now with this video, you can use MetaTrader 5 without making a mess. You install as many as you need, and on each one, you can run something different. If one crashes, the others keep working. This is the simplest way to work cleanly with MetaTrader 5. If this video was helpful to you, send it to a friend on WhatsApp. This is the easiest way to share important information. See you in the next video.